Magugulat talaga kayo.
How does it feel being one of our crowd's favorite tonight?
I would just say that I'm not feeling well, but I have no choice.
Nag-concert ba si Number T kagabi?
Medyo mainit kasi, uminom ng malamig na tubig.
But you really have to stay hydrated. Huwag lang malamig. At dapat ako ang nagbabasa ng question mo. Alright. Ngayon ko lang po nalaman, pag uminom ng malamig na tubig ay atat pala. Tinatanggal ko lang yung kababo. Alright, your question is, sa gitna ng mga hamon ng buhay, paano mo pinapanatili ang iyong lakas at determinasyon upang maabot ang iyong mga pangarap? Sa gitna ng mga hamon ng buhay, paano mo pinapanatili ang iyong lakas at determinasyon upang maabot ang iyong mga pangarap? Go ahead.
Can you translate in English?
Is it true? How would you like me to translate this in English? Okay. Sir John, pakitaasan po ng talent fee ko mamaya. This is it. Dati lang kasi pag English yung tanong, pinatranslate ko sa Tagalog. Number 3, huwag ka na uminom ng malamig na tubig, ha? In your life, how would you kaya ko to? At dito na po nagtatapos ang hosting Steve ko sa buhay. In your life nowadays, what will you do in order for you to achieve your dreams in life? In your life nowadays, considering hinders, how would you pursue in order for you to go to reach for your dream? In your life, considering hindrances, what will you do for you to achieve your dreams?
Thank you. In my life, I face a lot of pressure from expectations, social media, and I need to fit in. But I believe the key to overcoming this and to stay strong is to be confident and courage, and also the believe in God. And I thank you.